I started sewing when I was in secondary school as I had a really good textiles teacher. I then went on to do a foundation course before heading to London to do a degree in fashion design. I've always loved dressmaking, but I particularly love the era of the 1950s. So for me, inspiration comes from there, where I can make my own clothes to fit and flatter my unique self and feel really confident in them. I started teaching a few years after graduating from university. I started in secondary school and then taught in further and higher education, and I've also set up an apprenticeship within Wales. I feel really privileged to be able to inspire people to learn to sew by sharing my passion. I love encouraging people to try new skills, and also sewing is therapy for so many people, so I feel it's a really special skill to be able to share. Since 2010, I've run workshops in sewing and dressmaking from my studio in South Wales. I set up All Sewn Up Wales because I wanted to be able to choose the projects I taught and to share the passion that I love the most, which is dressmaking. I knew I always wanted to write a dressmaking book to be able to share my knowledge and passion about dressmaking. And the book is for anybody, whatever level they are, to be able to pick the book up and start their own dressmaking journey. I really enjoyed writing the book because it allowed me to break down the whole process of dressmaking from start to finish, making pattern cutting accessible for everyone. Everything you need is in the book to create your perfectly fitted wardrobe of dresses and separates, incorporating the key design features such as sleeves, necklines, collars and pockets. The book is essential reader material for the video course, especially as there are physical copies of patterns in the back of the book, which we will be using to create your well-fitted block. I will also be referring to other material within the book during the course, such as a glossary of terms, as well as how to use some of your essential sewing equipment. If you haven't already got your copy of the book, you will find a discount voucher offering 50% off your purchase in the online resources. You will need a copy of the book by lesson 3, pattern cutting. My next plans are to write a trouser book and then also some advanced techniques for dressmaking, and the list goes on. Inside the back of the book, you will find an envelope with 3 pattern sheets. The patterns are designed to fit all shapes and sizes. You can then mix and match all of the elements to create the perfect style for you. We'll look at these in more detail in lesson 3 when we trace off your pattern, but I'd just like to show you some of the key features and what they look like on the pattern pieces. The first one is the dart, which is a triangle on your pattern. Sometimes it can look like a diamond. This makes your pattern from 2D to 3D, and this is how you fit your bust, your waist and your curves. Then we have notches, which are marked with an N. These are small snips in the edge of the fabric, and this helps you match all your pattern pieces together like a jigsaw. The third one is the grain line, which is a red line on the pattern pieces. This shows you which way to place your pattern pieces on your fabric. The last one is cut on the fold, which is a line with arrows either end. And this helps you to place your pattern pieces on the fold of the fabric when required. The video course has been created as a way to bridge the gap between my book and my courses, sharing my expert knowledge and clear instructions gathered from years as a bespoke designer and teacher to share to a wider audience of visual learners. Watching the videos, students will be guided gently through the process of adapting patterns to fit their unique shape and size. Students will also be able to create their own individual garments, as well as learn the skills to adapt commercial patterns to fit them better. The benefits of the video course are that you can rewind and re-watch the video lessons as often as you like. Once you have mastered those techniques, you'll be able to come along with me and create as many of those 80+ variations as you desire. Over the 7 hours of tuition, you will learn how to trace off pattern pieces in your size, how to make a simple calico dress, how to make alterations to the calico toile and paper patterns to fit your perfect size. You will then learn how to draft sleeves, necklines and skirts, and then you'll be able to create a unique, versatile wardrobe of separates and dresses for your unique self. So now you are familiar with how everything works, you are ready to start the lessons with some sewing know-how.